We're painting chairs for a charity, and Miss Neal's gonna put them on Facebook, and people are gonna bid on them. And then one of the charities that we pick, we're going to give all the money that we've raised, and we're gonna donate to them.
These kids are working on research skills to research the charity. They're learning about the impact that the charities have and how to research on charities that they would like to donate to find out what their money goes to and the percentage it goes to, what impact they have on our local area or global, and how to work as a team on researching, creating a slideshow, and then they're also working on presentation skills, public speaking.
I like the fact that we get to explore different charities and what they do, really.
All the groups, they get to design the chair, and I just like to, and we get to paint.
We're really proud of the kids. They've learned so much through the process. They were really excited to become a philanthropist and understand what that word really means. And they've persevered through it all. Sometimes it was hard getting started and learning how to paint, but they became patient as the project went forward. And towards the end, their painting was very precise, and we're really, really proud of them.
I liked learning about how different charities could help different people and things in different ways. Charities do make a difference.